Hello. You won't believe it, but you don't have to buy new Beats headphones for more than $200 when their percussions have become ugly and smudge your face. That's why today I'm show you how for less than $10 you can make your favorite Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones like new again. This tutorial you can use also for Beats Solo headphones. To do this repair, you will need to buy aftermarket replacement air percussions. The link to them is in the video description. To remove the old damaged air cups, you will need a knife that does not have a sharp tip. Then try to push the knife between the headphone body and the AirPod. Once you have done this, try to use the knife to push the AirPod away from the body of the headphones so that there is a gap big enough for your fingers, and remove pod from the headphone body. Ideally, that all the glue should come off with the AirPod, as it will need to be removed from the headphone body anyway. Then remove other AirPod in the same way. The cool thing is that you can install the new replacement AirPods in any color you want, not necessarily in the same white color. But today the client wants exactly the same white ones. Once both old AirPods are removed, remove also any glue debris from the headphone body. Then you need to take the new AirPod, but as you can see, one side has a charging socket, and for this side you need to take correct AirPod. The other thing is that there are two plastic pins on the headphone body that you will need to center when you glue pods in place. Then remove double side tape insulation and put the new AirPods on the headphone body. Just remember that the pod needs to place on the two plastic pins. Here's the result. All you have to do is put the other replacement AirPod on in the same way. The important thing to remember is the seam has to be down. Then all you have to do is place pod on both pins and press the AirPod to make sure it sticks well, and you are done. Congrats! For less than $10 you have fixed your headphones and they look like new again. As always, I would ask for a like on this video and some nice comment. Thanks and bye!